Hello, it's Monika here and welcome to my channel. It's time to open box number 7 of this Papercraft Society Advent Calendar. I hope you're enjoying those short tutorials and enjoying opening that calendar with me. And I love looking at your projects on Facebook, and there are quite a few of you who are joining with our hashtag PS Advent Calendar 2023. Remember to check Katarina and Mel, because Mel, she's doing unboxing, and Katarina, she's sharing her tutorials, her projects as well. So it's such a fun collaboration and I love it. I enjoy it so much. So let's see what's in box number 7. And yes, those days are going so fast and it's so nice to look at some different projects with those goodies. So in today's, oh, I forgot to check who is designer. So it's designed by Texture, so it's Lou Collins. And we've got, as you could see, we've got some cutting dies. So we've got letters and we've got that star. And it says joyful. You can create joy, you can create other words as well. If you think and look, you can use those, you can create you. I'm just looking and thinking what else you could create with those letters. LOL. So you can create actually different projects, not only for Christmas, but I think I need another few Christmas cards. So let me prepare some elements and I will be back with my tutorial. So as you can see, I've got some elements ready and let me show you what I'm using. So this strip of paper comes from this Made to Surprise by Sam Calcott Christmas background, so that's the one. Then I've got those cutting dies from the Stunning Studio. It's a new set I received today, so I'm using that. I'm also using embossing folder. This one is from Watercolor Christmas by Crafter's Companion and I love this one. So I embossed my card already. And I've got that a Holy comes from this set from Tonic Studio as well. So yes, I'm really happy, excited about this one because it's another 5x7 card. So I've got 5x7 card blank and I've got a red mat which measures, hope you can see it, 4 3/4 by 6 3/4. So that's my mat. Let me just glue it down. And next one will be 4.5 inches by 6.5. So I'm decreasing by 1/4 inch each layer. That's how I do it every single time, and I think those borders are just right size for me. So I'm going to place that embossed panel which measures, as I said, 4.5 inches by 6.5. 4.5 by 6.5. And then I've got that strip of paper which I cut from that set from Made to Surprise. And that one measures, let me check, it's I think 2 inches by 6 3/4. So I'm going to place this one kind of off center towards the left side. Oops, I think it's way too high. Yes. So I'm gluing it down on that embossed paper. And I'm going to put this one together. So I've got that mat and layer. And on this one, I'm going to place my letters. So I decided to go for joy. And I think this one will look nice. And this card will be perfect for me to send out in a standard envelope. So I don't have to worry about extra costs. So that's down. As you can see, every single layer goes flat, completely flat on my card, and because I'm going to send out quite a few Christmas cards, so I need them to be quite flat, and I hope you like this one. So let me just make sure that the letters are spaced out evenly. Yes, and I'm going to add that holly which I cut out from that Tonic Studio die, and I added some Nouveau crystal drops. This one, and the color is, let me check. So this one is red berry, and it's a gloss. So I think that's fine. Let me just put those letters. So as you can see, because I prepared a lot of elements, this card will be very quick and easy to make. And I'm thinking that I will probably do another card or two with those letters, because I really love those letters. They are quite big, and it would be actually nice to have the whole alphabet with this font, because it's really nice and just so simple and very bold, which I like. So last letter, very quickly putting a card together. I'm thinking to create something very similar, but with the circle under that joy, maybe in gold. I don't know, but I'm really tempted to do another card or two with that set. So I'm adding that holly, and I think that's more than enough. I was thinking to add some nouveau drops, but when I was sending a card with ATC swap, I added quite a lot of nouveau drops, and I had to pay extra postage because it was just too heavy. So this is my card. As you can see, very quick card with this box number 7 with those cutting dies from Textures, designed by Luke Collins. So let me know what do you think about it, and would you add something else to that card, because I actually cut out other elements. I've got those snowflakes, but I just didn't want to add more to this card, so I left them out. So let me know what do you think about this card. Have you watched my other videos with previous boxes? Let me know. Do you follow hashtag PS Advent Calendar 2023? If yes, then you probably have seen Katarina's and Mel's videos as well. So go and have a look. Maybe you will get inspired with what they're going to create, what they are sharing. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow at 7 a.m. for next unboxing and next video tutorial. So thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.